Jif-ree-ukht is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn the Serenity Prayer in Irish as requested.
Paidir and swev-ness. Paidir and swev-ness.
First of all, I'll read it from start to finish, and then we'll go through it line by line with an English translation. Yee-ah, jo-nee and swev-ness. Khun glacadh rudy, nach féidir ah-roo. Mish-nukh khun rudy ah-roo nuair féidir, gaois khun jif-ree-ukht aithint. Yee-ah, O God, Yee-ah. Jo-nee and swev-ness. Grant me the serenity. Jo-nee and swev-ness. Khun glacadh rudy, to accept the things. Khun glacadh rudy. Nach fay-jer liom ah-roo, that I cannot change. Nach fay-jer liom ah-roo. Mish-nukh khun rudy ah-roo nuair féidir. The courage to change the things I can. Mish-nukh khun rudy ah-roo nuair féidir. Gaois khun jif-ree-ukht aithint. And the wisdom to know the difference. Gaois khun jif-ree-ukht aithint. Don't forget that there are many different ways to pronounce almost every word in Irish. Do you find Irish spelling difficult to read and pronounce? If you do, why not try Crack Irish Gaelic Pronunciation on Udemy?